Top 5 trading rules I wish I knew sooner. If I could go back in time, these are the 5 trading rules I'd tattoo on my desk. Today's video could save your trading career. Let's start. Capital protection first. Don't chase profits. Preserve capital. It focuses on risk management to ensure long-term survival and stability in trading. Cut losses fast. Let winners run. Don't overtrade. Less is more. Trade the A+ setups only. Stick to a risk per trade. Consistency beats adrenaline. Plan the trade. Before entering a trade, it's crucial to plan these 3 components. Entry, stop loss, take profit. 1. Entry, the price level at which you will open the trade based on your analysis. 2. Stop loss, a predefined price level where you will exit the trade to limit losses if the market moves against you. Take profit, the target price where you will close the trade to secure profits once the market moves in your favor. If this helped, leave a comment saying, "I am trading smarter," and subscribe for more real talk trading.